Hi guys, today I'm so happy to bring you my unboxing of my new case for my Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6. Okay, it is from Nilkin, okay, which produce a lot of high quality mobile phone accessory from China. I bought it only for $19, which is a great price for the Z Fold 6 case. I previously bought the Nilkin Cam Shield series, but unluckily I dropped my phone very heavily on the hinge and it's broken. Honestly, I feel it's very difficult to find the best case for the Z Fold 6. It's just like when you go for slimness, you lose drop protection, hinge protection, and when I go for the S Pen storage or a kickstand, I lose the MagSafe functionality. Since then, I stay most of the time with my Spigen case. It gives me the most grip feeling, but still I can't get over the bulkiness of it. Okay, as you can see, it's very bulky. Okay, but it's protect me a lot of drop. Okay, so I decided to try this Flex Pure full case series. Okay, it's come with two color, the dark one and the dark green one. I decided to go for the green one. Okay, let's see the packaging and let's unbox it. Okay, look around. Okay, Flex Pure full case S Pen version. It has a third party pen from Nilkin. Okay, as you can see. Okay, as expected, the packaging is okay from the mid-range brand. Okay, China brand. Okay, okay, you have the 3M sticker. Okay, for the front part. Here is the case itself. Okay, let's look around. Here the cutout for the power on and off button and fingerprint. There is a cover for the up and down volume rocker. Okay, as you can see. Why I have a hard time okay, here you see Nilkin nickel series. Here let's test the pen. Okay, the pen tip is round, as you can see. Okay, and here is the front cover. There's no screen protector. Okay, never mind. Okay, you just have to peel this 3M sticker to make it stick. Okay, so let's try it on my full 6. Okay, the surface is a smooth. It's a skin friendly soft touch for a luxurious feel. It has a third party Nilkin made stylus. Let's see if the stylus compatible with the original one. Where is my original one? Here's my case, OEM case. Okay, okay, work, and but the fit is not too tight. Okay, it's a bit loose, but I think you can still safely put it in that. Okay, okay, you can see you can store your original S Pen in it. Okay, it almost looks the same as the original one. okay, this from Samsung, but this one is very slippery, and this one is a lot grippy, okay, and there is no fingerprint, okay, no fingerprint, unlike this one, okay. You can see this fingerprint, okay. So the one unique thing about this case that come to my mind is that it's cover the volume up and down button, okay. I see most of the case doesn't have this feature. It most of the case leave this area all open, okay. So we'll see how this case is gonna last. So do I recommend it? For me, totally yes, especially if you look for the OEM S Pen case alternative that give you a lot of better grip feeling, and that's not even mention about the price. This one is $60, this one is $19. It almost 3 times this different, and it offer you almost the same functionality. So that's all for this video, okay. So please leave a comment if you have any question or sharing idea. Thank you all, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.